Problem 15. 7 cookies of radius 1 inch are cut from a circle of cookie dough as shown. Neighboring cookies are tangent, and all except the center cookie are tangent to the edge of the dough. So it's basically saying that, these are tangent to the edge. The leftover scrap is reshaped to form another cookie of the same thickness. What is the radius of inches of the scrap cookie? When you think of a cookie, right, the cookie is going to be a cylinder because it's going to have a height, right, and it's going to have, the circle right here. So basically, we're trying to find the volumes of cylinders here. What is the volume taken up by the entire circle? Well, that's easily solved for, because we know that this radius is 1, and this radius is also 1, and this is 1. So sum that together, the radius of the large circle is going to be equal to 3. Let's suppose that the height of each cookie is going to be h. With that, what can we say? We can say that the volume of the large cookie is going to be equal to pi r squared times h. That's the volume formula. So that's going to be pi times 3 squared times h, which is 9 pi h. Now let's continue. What is the volume occupied by all the small cookies combined? Well, we're told that there are 7 of them. So this is going to be equal to 7 pi r squared h. But this time, what is the radius? The radius is equal to 1. So this becomes what? This becomes 7 times pi times h. 7 pi h. So 7 pi h is the total volume occupied by the small ones, and the large one is going to be 9 pi h. So 9 pi h minus 7 pi h will give you 2 pi h. 2 pi h is the volume of the scrap. So no matter how you deform the remaining scrap, it will always have a volume of 2 pi h. The volume remains the same. So what can we say? We can say that the volume of 2 pi h has to equal to, well, what happens? We reshape the leftover to another cookie of same thickness. And since cookies are going to be circles, that means that the new cookie that we create from the scrap is also going to be a cylinder with the formula of pi r squared h. So this has to be equal to pi r squared h, where h and h are the same because remember they have the same thickness. So this gets canceled out. We also know that they both share a pi, and so the pi and pi gets canceled out. R squared is equal to 2. So r, the radius of the new cookie formed from the scraps, will be equal to root 2. And so your final answer will be answer choice A.